Hi, this is Shadow Man. How you doing? Remember last time I showed you how to do the basement? This time I'm going to show you to repair a washing machine. So let's go do it. The dog rooms as well. So this is washing machine we're doing today. A Kenmore Quiet Pack for Elite. Really quiet stuff, I must say. So the washing the dryer is running at the moment. Right now it's flashing 11. I'm going to place a towel in there just to suck up all the water. Right, so instead of bailing all the water out, let's get that big bucket, put towels inside of it until it gets all the water out before I get started. So that's what's happening at the moment. I've tried to run it normally, it doesn't run. I'll go into spin and get closer, go to spin and rinse and spin. And after that I put it in drain and spin, and it's not draining. So most of the stuff, everything's happening right now when I'm checking the drain over this side. It's very minimal water coming out, so which means the pump is going. So this is probably going to be a pump repair from all the stuff that I've eliminated. I pulled it out so far because I want to see how eventually I'm going to need access beyond, and I'll take you through that as I try to repair this. Thanks.